everybody, I'm Trish from Fold Factory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. Well, with everything that's going on in the world, I've been looking through my collection to find simple solutions that are really creative for everybody who's now kind of forced to rethink marketing campaigns and direct mail campaigns. Mail is such a powerful way to connect. So this is an award-winning piece from Graphic Visual Solutions in Greensboro, North Carolina, designed by Wildfire for client Wake Forest Athletics, and this piece is designed to provoke sales of ticket sales for the basketball season. So this is so clever, and you're going to love the simplicity of it too. So it's got a basketball court on the front. I hope you can see on the camera there's also some gloss and dull varnish going on here that's UV varnish. And at the top, there's a basketball right here. And it actually, the little half circle extends past the trim edge of the document. So it's kind of sticking up. And it's actually normally in there, but I had to start to pull it out because I'm going to show you how this works. So it's actually a zip strip, and it closes the piece. So you pull this down, and it goes along the path. Can only do this once. And then the piece opens, this comes all the way off, but I'm going to leave it attached. Opens like this, and it says slam dunk, and then it actually folds down one more time. It has the season ticket information, got more of the gloss and dull varnish going on. I love how this works. So I have two. So the other one I took apart for everybody. I wanted you to see how this works in one piece, so I taped the basketball little trail back in. So that's why this looks a little loose. I wanted you to see how this actually works. It's an L cross. So kind of a cousin of the Iron Cross family, makes an L shape. There's a tab right here. And so what happens is this is perfed through here. This is the path that is perfed into this panel. And then this panel folds up, tab folds in, and this folds over. So when you open it, it actually looks more like a gate than an L cross, but that's just because of how this releases these two panels, and they kind of split this way. So I love the way this works. This is on a 100-pound gloss cover. These were printed offset, 7-color, 4-color process, spot color, and plus the gloss and dull UV coatings. These were die, cut, score, perf, machine fold and glue. Just brilliant. They did about 3,500 of these, so just so well done, and as I said, an award winner as well. So that's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Glued L cross with zip strip. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going, and viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.